Alright, what's going on everybody? So today in this video, what I got going on for you guys, I'm filming this a little bit early. Hopefully everything's looking straight. We're looking a little messy there, but we're good. I did just get up, so sorry if I'm looking not too presentable, but I'm going to be unboxing some recent sneaker releases and some shoes that I will be holding on to. There's a couple pairs here you can already see in the frame. We'll get into discussing those, showing you all those. Some of these I will be keeping from my collection. Most of them are not my size, but there's one pair in particular that is my size just by chance. And you know, I'm like, alright, you know, market isn't too high on it right now. I personally think it's an underrated shoe. Might hold it, might not. We'll see what's going on. So if you guys want more content like this, subscribe and like down below. No goal in this video, just road to 50K because we're doing the giveaway then. So I appreciate you all. Thank you all for your constant support. We're about to hit 7K on Instagram, and I haven't even posted since like 5K. So wild, but thank you all. So yeah, I did post my story though, so you want to check that out, feel free. Let's get into showing y'all some shoes that I've copped, some releases, different stuff like that. Everything's in the description if you want to check it out down below. So first things first, I want to get into unboxing these right here. I'll just get into the bigger box, and I want to give a huge shout out. I usually wouldn't just regularly shout out a reseller in videos, but he individually wrapped, and I know this takes time, he individually wrapped every single box, every single shoe box that I copped with bubble wrap. And I've never in the hundreds of shoes and packages I bought, I've never had somebody do that. So huge shout out to Plug by Flash. Big ups to you. That clearly shows you care about the packages, care about how your customer does. So I just want to say that's goated, and I appreciate you. That's the first time I've ever gotten someone individually wrap every single item that I've bought. That's crazy, in a good way. So let's get into kind of discussing what I bought. So again, as I've mentioned, these are all recent releases. So I'll show you all this one right here. Now this shoe right here is definitely going to be one I hold on to. It's not going to be one I flip right now since I actually am down on it, but again, not too concerned because the only reason I'm down in it is because it's just been restocking. It's the bright crimson Game Royal, you know, those big kid dunks I was talking about that had that kind of white, red, and blue color blocking. I had really good faith in those. I got a size 4.5Y, which is not a bad size. Again, that is one that does go up. Anything 4.5Y and up is worthy to hold in grade school, in my opinion. So as you guys can see, oh wait, never mind. This isn't the, these ones are dope. Jeez, look at these. These are not these are the pink foam ones. These ones haven't restocked. I'm not actually down on these, the pink foam dunks. I'm definitely not down. These are a great hold, in my opinion. I saw these color blocking. I don't know why I thought that I got the bright crimson ones. Maybe those are in here. Maybe I did with these too. Look at me forgetting what shoes I bought. It's not great, but yeah, this again, very clean pair of kicks. I'm actually a huge fan of this. Wow. I cannot let anybody find this because it's a dope pair of shoes. But yeah, look at this. The details on this grade school pair are actually really well done. So again, I'm not too sure what market is right now, but I'll show you all right now. See, I think I paid 140 on these, and market's at like 145. I still expect them to rise. Again, I'll give it time. I'll wait till they're at 200, 250. I've seen people calling these the Valentine's Day dunks, and the second I heard that come out of somebody's mouth, I immediately bought a pair because that just immediately put some confidence, you know, on this shoe. I was like, oh, people are making Valentine's Day comparisons. Oh, dudes are gonna be trying to buy these for the girls on Valentine's Day. That's not gonna be a problem for me, you know, because we don't do that. But I mean, yeah, anybody who is gonna need a pair on Valentine's Day, I got you, but not for the cheap, because I believe the shoe will go up in value a lot. It's a pink dunk with perfect color blocking, along with just that nice little burgundy swoosh. I think it's a great pair to cop to hold. So if you guys want to invest in this pink foam dunk low, you can look it up. Grade school sizes only, 4.5Y and up. It's what's worth it. But yeah, I forgot I caught this shoe. Even better than the bright crimson ones. Great choice for buying this instead of those, because these ones haven't been restocked. I thought with my head when I made this purchase. I'm very happy about that. So first things right there, as you guys can see, those dunks, 4.5Y. So next one we'll kind of get into. This is my first time ever having an off-white lot 50. As you guys can see, I've never had that or any of the off-whites. It's not lot 50, but any of the lots. So I think this is lot 15 if I'm correct. But as you guys can see, it is a bigger size, which is something that I've been looking for. So you guys can see Nike Dunk Low size 13 lot. This is perfect. Again, it is very hard to find bigger sizes in the off-white lots, and 13 is just a really good size to have. And I personally find this to be, it's not like lot 1, 2, or 3 or lot 50, but I do find lot 15 to be one of the nicer lots and one of the ones that is a little bit easier to wear than maybe something like lot 50, because that one, again, you'd have to wear like all black or something, and that one is very rare. I'm just gonna say this: if you've gotten lot 50 and you're not holding it, that's bad. If you've sold that already, that's not good. That's really tough. That's all I'm gonna say. But any of the other lots aside from 1 and 50, I personally wouldn't hold on to. But if you want to, feel free. But here's what lot 15 looks like, again with the pink or not pink, geez, purple laces and the pink tongue, I personally think, again, is a very, very clean pair of shoes, and I like what they've done down here. And you can see it describes it. It says 15 of 50. Again, I think it's a nice small detail. Again, I remember hating on the whole concept of Off-White making 50 dunks, but when I've seen what they've kind of done and how hard they actually made it to get the 50 pairs, I think it's actually fairly reasonable. I'm not upset with how they've done this at all. It says something here too. I cannot read what it says here, but you can clearly says reflective also. I gotta give some ups to them though. Reflective lettering here on this pair. I don't know if this goes for each one, since again, this is my first pair of lots I've had in hand. But yeah, to say the least, very happy to have a bigger size in these. I'm not sure if I will hold on to them, but I've already know I made a good buy on these and got a good deal for them, just because, again, I was kind of going into the whole idea of this deal of just buying, you know, as many pairs as possible, just because, you know, that's how you get better deals from people. You buy more shoes off them because it benefits them more. So yeah, to say the least, very happy to have a pair of these. These are super clean, and honestly, I might hold on to it just because it's a bigger size. Again, I said I wouldn't hold the regular lot since they're just doing exclusive access over and over and over, since, you know, they still realize not a lot of people have pairs. So yeah, I think their goal is going to be to continue to release pairs. So I probably will post and sell these, but I can't post and sell these until I get my other computer fixed, because that has my whole notepad with like all my resale prices and everything. So like I don't know what I paid. I can't remember what I paid for these exactly, but I can probably go in my DMs and find it. If I can, then I will start selling them. But yeah, to say the least, these are clean. These are really clean. Pink laces, everything. I mean, I wouldn't wear them personally, since just I'm not a dunk fan, nor am I a fan of just like, I mean, this whole zigzag thing, I'm not really huge on that, but I mean, it's still cool. They did their thing. I'm glad I got a good lot number. It's personally one of my favorite ones. I do know what the rest look like. And you know, again, if I was to get something down the line, like somehow hit exclusive access on like lot 1 or lot 50, I'd make a great video on that. And I will make a video on holding, you know, these dunks. So you guys will see something on the channel tomorrow or sooner or later. Just guessing, you know, just holding on to dunks like this. So yeah, we'll get into that later. But another one I wanted to unbox. One of the lots, lot 15. Personally think it's fairly clean. Another one I want to get into also, I can't remember what this is. Oh wait, these are the fragments if I'm correct. So again, individually wrapped, I appreciate that. That's really big ups right there. And this is a size 12.5, so kind of a harder size to get. But I was like, you know what, I've never really thought about buying a 12.5 in any shoes. I was like, yeah, sure, I'll buy it. So a 12.5 in the pair of, I think it's the gray pair, which is the better pair. It might be the navy one, but either one, if you have the navy, you know, just I'll show you all these. If you have the navy or white version of this shoe, the sale version, whatever you want to call it, please hold on to it. That's all I'm gonna say. So this one right here is the navy pair. Yeah, so navy pair, 12.5. I honestly may sell this one off, but I'm not sure. But yeah, we'll kind of see what I decide to do. So right here, this Sakai fragment, you know, right here, these ones, the Vapor Waffles, LD Waffle, not Vapor Waffle, but yeah, you guys can see typical thing, double swoosh. This kind of, you know, heel is extended out, and then they also have the writing here. This is what fragment, their little detail here, they put the writing right there on the inside. Hopefully that focuses for me so you guys can see that. And then right here also, you know, you guys can see that's their typical details that they put. And then you also have something on the swoosh, their logo and all that. It's another simple detail, nothing really too crazy, so you guys can see that right there. And I mean, I think it's a clean pair of shoes. You know, the sole matches the up part of the shoe, which or the upper part of the shoe, not the up part of the shoe, but it overall matches. So I may hold on to this one just because, again, it is a rarer size, and I do think that we could see some progress on this one just because I think we're done with pairs releasing on this one. I'm pretty sure this one is already released. Well, I know this one's already released in sneakers. The gray pair, I think. Yeah, that one's already released fully too. I remember that dropped happened a day or two ago, if I'm correct on this. I mean, that one might be today. I've been off of my drop days lately, but I'm pretty sure that one was the 14th. So for sure, all pairs of these and the gray pair have released. So if you want to hold on to these, feel free. I might do that, but I mean, I already have some good profit on this one, so I might just resell it and already paid high. Like I would only probably hold this pair particularly if I got it for retail, because I could see this one going up to 500, but it is already pretty high in price. So that's just kind of one thing to take into account. Most of these versions of shoes, fragment collaborations too, they do go up, but you have to spend your time holding them. And I already have a lot of holds right now. Like I just have to have them cash, to be honest. So I'll probably just flip these. And yeah, again, still a good hold in my opinion. So the fragment and Sakai's right there. Pretty clean. LD Waffle, whatever you want to say. I mean, kind of weird. I wouldn't personally wear them, but still cool. So yeah, that took me forever to box up, but bigger box, you guys can see. Your boy's not having these kinds of feet, but if you are, then cool. So another one I want to mention right there, this is another pair I got. I said, you know, I saw these and I was like, you know what, why not? I haven't had or bought a pair of these in a while, and I got a fairly good deal for it, so I was like, okay, I'm pretty sure this one is the size 12, 12 and a half, or 13, so I have to double check to see. It's a 12 and a half too, so again, another kind of more exclusive size right here, but we got a pair of university ones, as you guys can see right here, size 12 and a half. Hopefully that'll focus for me. If it has, then there you go. So I might hold on to this pair, but I'm pretty sure I'll just sell it, because again, as I've mentioned, I've plenty of holes right now. I really don't need to have any more. I just need to honestly get some money going. So yeah, aside from that, you guys can see this pair right here. Honestly, I think these are pretty clean. Yeah, at first I thought there was something wrong with the shoe, and then I just remembered the 12 and a half, so the shoe is just massive. Like, I was like, why is this shoe feel so weird in my hand? And I was like, oh wait, this is a size 12 and a half pair of Jordan 1s. But yeah, to say the least, yeah, this is a matte, like, holy crap, bro. Like bro, well, my hand isn't that small, like, yeah, but still, that's a big shoe to say the least. So yeah, to say that, here y'all can go see all the details up close. Of course, a clean suede of a typical pair. I love how these look, honestly. Of course, it's a legit pair. You can to easily tell if a university one is legit, you can run your finger along it, and it'll kind of change color a bit when you do that, and you can kind of see your finger, like the wipe on it, I guess, if you're whatever you want to say, you'll be able to see your finger mark. So this shoe is legit. You can clearly tell because I did that, and you can see it. Well, you can't see it on the camera, but yeah, to say the least, I might well sell these ones. That's probably what I'll do, just because it's a good size to honestly post up. So yeah, to say the least, got a size 12 and a half pair of university ones. And yeah, I'm very happy to have a pair, because, you know, I haven't had one of these in a while, and it's you know, this is mainly a bigger size haul, as you've noticed, but it's a good thing, because bigger sizes are better to get if you're reselling or anything in general. That's just how you get the attention of more people. And yeah, same thing right there, pair of uni ones, massive box. It's like, my head is not, you can't even compare it. But yeah, to say the least, my head wouldn't be the size of a shoebox anyways, hopefully. So yeah, that's a good thing right there. So another thing, it's also a Supreme sticker on the bottom. A little simple detail. So yeah, I got a bunch of these I don't know what to do with. So another thing I want to mention too, I got these two right here, these two pairs. I even put what I paid for them. I paid $265 on the Lightning, and I paid $195 on the Seafoams. So again, some good deals right there. So this is the one that I was debating on wearing, a size 11W Seafoam, and again, an 11W 11 women's would convert over to 9.5 in men's. And I was like, you know what? I know there's no girls with 11W feet, so I mean, maybe there's, I don't know, probably a few, but I mean, that's why the range is there, you know, through 12W. But in my opinion, I was like, all right, you know, I might be rocking with these, because I think they're pretty clean overall. I think I could probably put a good fit together with them. So the Seafoam Air Jordan 1, these ones have been constantly restocking. The price is pretty low on these. Again, I paid like $195, so I probably could get someone, and there goes my Xbox randomly turning on, but yeah, I probably could get someone to pay around $210 on these, but there's no point in me selling it, because after shipping and all that, then I make like $8 on these right now. Like, why would I bother selling these? So definitely not going to be getting rid of these Seafoam Air Jordan 1s. That's just what I think. And you know, again, I think it's just a good hold, because I got it for a great price, pretty much like retail plus shipping, if you want to put it like that. So again, might add this one to the personal collection, might not. We'll see what I end up doing, but very clean pair of shoes. And you know, it just, I've had two pairs now, and both have been super nice in hand. So I personally am just gonna probably I'm gonna be maybe getting more Seafoams just to hold on to, because market's low and I see it going up. It is a women's shoe. There's a lot of stock, so it will take longer, but it's clean, very clean in hand. Might just add it to the personal since I got it for so low. So, and finally, I'll show you all these size 11 and Lightnings. Of course, we'll hold on to these. Got it for $265. So, you know, this is going to bring my average on the price of Lightnings of holding down way down. I already got that other pair that brought mine down to like the $290 range of, you know, average prices I was holding on to for like 12 pairs. This is 13th pair. I mean, at $265 will bring my average down probably into low 290s or kind of higher 280s, which I'm very happy about. So, you know, again, I remember I told you I paid $310 for those 10 pairs, but I've gotten two great deals in a row on some Lightnings and a grade school pair for retail. So with all those into account, my average on pairs is pretty much, I mean, it's down a lot, but the grade school pair isn't added up in that, because, you know, it isn't an adult size. But with the deals I've been getting under $300 pairs, it's been a great sign, and I'm just gonna keep getting pairs to bring my average price down, so I can just make more money off this hold. So yeah, Lightning 4s, very big fan of them, and you know, I think these ones are going to be a very valuable shoe in the future. So that's everything I really need to mention right there. Again, another pair of these, so I've got like 13 of those, and those are all the shoes I've really bought right there. Just some simple pairs to hold on to. So I'll kind of shoot a thumbnail. I'll do that in a little bit, but if y'all want more content like this, we'll just kind of head into the outro. Feel free to subscribe and like down below. Check my Instagrams, any of that down below. Those will be there, so feel free to do that. And yeah, that's really everything that needs to be mentioned. I already know I've said everything I need to say. I've already know this video is way too long. It's like 17 minutes, which for unboxing a few pairs of shoes, I mean, I did go in detail on them, so it's fair. But leave any comments, questions, whatever it may be. I'll be there to answer them. And I'm Tristan. Thank y'all for watching, and I'll be there to answer them for you. So see y'all next video, hopefully. Peace.